Does Medicare cover gender reassignment surgery? It does, and actually it has for almost 10 years. Most people aren't aware of that. It's now part of the national consciousness that people are talking about it, but Medicare started covering it back in 2014. If you are eligible for Medicare A and B, and your doctor has deemed it medically necessary. So generally that means you have a diagnosis of gender dysphoria and you've gone to a doctor and typically you've already been put on hormones, then you are eligible for Medicare to pay for your transitional surgeries, top surgeries and bottom surgeries. So that is great news because it's extremely expensive. So if you're 64, you might want to wait till 65 till Medicare starts and get that big boost of Medicare paying for the vast majority of your transitional care. The surgery, the counseling, the aftercare. One of the things that Medicare will not cover is facial feminization or anything considered cosmetic. So that's expensive too, but it's not considered medically necessary. So jaw, nose, brow, Adam's apple, that's all cosmetic, will not be covered. Medicare never covers anything deemed only cosmetic. If you have private Medicare Advantage plans, HMO and PPO plans, they have to cover by law the same things that original government Medicare covers. So yes, they will also cover. But there's just a little bit more red tape. Prior authorizations, and just a little bit more red tape. You have to stay in the network, make sure all your surgeons and specialists are in the network of your private Medicare Advantage plans. Now, you could be denied this care, in which case you have rights to appeal. But in general, Medicare is pretty easy to work with as far as gender reassignment surgery. Medicare Part D, which is private insurance, will cover most of your hormonal drugs. If you have more questions, ask me in the comments below. I hope this helped. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.